I just have a lot of Amazon products and I basically weed through all the not so good items and I bring you guys the best of the best. And I feel like this is maybe one of our best yet. The pieces in here just feel so luxe, so high end. I truly love each and every one of them. I truly am so excited about each one of these pieces. So let's jump in. We're gonna kick it off with the vest that I'm wearing. Now this is a newer release to Amazon and I have a feeling it's gonna get like back ordered quickly because it's really, really good. So it is a completely lined fleece vest jacket. It is so cozy. If you live in a cold weather area, this is incredible. It just keeps your body heat in and it's great for running errands. It's great for just wearing around the house if you keep your house cold. It's just a fantastic vest option. Now it is a long line style, which I really like. So it's long enough to wear with leggings. It also has adjustable straps on the side that you can cinch it in and give it that little bit of shape. It does feature a full functional zip here and it's available in one other color option and it comes in small, medium, and large. I'm wearing size small here. If I could change one thing, I'm not sure why there's only 3 sizes, but this is a size small and vests are like, since it has this cinch, it's pretty easy to customize to your body type. So just keep that in mind. But this goes with everything. It's going to be one that's going to be worn on repeat and get so much use out of over the winter season. Now to shop any of the looks in today's video, like always, it'll be listed down below in the description box, as well as it'll be pinned as the top comment. So you also can go to the comment section to shop all of the items. But if you're looking for a little bit of a shorter style vest, here is a beautiful option. So I feel like I've tried a lot of vests out and they have this like line between being puffy and unflattering and then like too thin. The fabric isn't nice. This one just really checks all of my boxes. It is this gorgeous quilted design, which is actually a fantastic look for less. It comes in a variety of different color options, available in small through extra, extra large, and I'm wearing a medium here. So it is more of a cropped style, but it looks gorgeous with some high-waisted denim jeans. That's the thing. Sometimes with a straight style jean, you feel like you don't have a lot of shape if you wear a vest with it. Go for a shorter style vest like this and it helps give you that shape and looks adorable. So I decided to go with a pop of color. I feel like in the winter, cold winter months, I need that bright pop of color, and this green I am all about. I have a hazel eye, so I feel like it makes my hazel eyes pop. But again, does come in a variety of different color options. And it also features pockets on the side, little split here, and it's great. Now, a good sweater dress moment is this option. It's not just like your typical sweater dress. This is actually a vest version. So I have styled a black bodysuit underneath, and the key to wearing dresses in the winter are fleece-lined tights. Now these are not see-through, which is great. So they kind of just look like leggings, but they have that fleece material on the inside. And then styled with this dress, it's just like the perfect like cool weather dressier looks. This would be beautiful for church. You could wear it to date night. You have just a little get together with friends at night. It's going to be a put together but warm outfit. Features a gorgeous V-neck here. I am wearing size medium in this because for height reference, I am just under 5'9". So I typically in dresses will size up to a medium just to be able to have that extra length. It has the ribbed material down at the bottom, kind of cinches. This does come in a variety of different color options and it's just a really nice high quality fabric. I love this burgundy color. It's the trending color this season and I just think this looks really, really sleek with the black bodysuit and black tights. And speaking of the tights, they have been going viral. I don't know if you can see in there that fleecy fabric. And then they also have a footed foot to them. So you don't have to worry about like your tights sliding up or I don't know. I just feel like the fit feels really nice. I've tried out a lot of tights, fleece-lined leggings, and these by far are my favorite brand. They come in a variety of different color options. I would say if you're in between sizes, size up one, they are going to be a little bit more of a fitted tight fit, but they do keep you warm. And I just think this is like the winter hack, ladies, we all need. And then to complete that look, the suede tote bag. I'm honestly wearing this bag. It's like my go-to bag right now. It has a gorgeous buckle detail here. It's the suede fabric that is just flying off the shelves everywhere. Also features a full zip. And this does have a bunch of pockets in it too. It's just great. And what you can do, I'll undo it here so you guys can see. What you can do is take a purse insert and you can just move it in between different purses. That way you don't have to worry about continuing to like move all of your items in and out of a purse. But this one is just stunning and feels so luxe. Stay tuned, I have another gorgeous studded bag option towards the end. Anything with bows is trending right now during this season, and I loved just the different style of this cardigan. So it's actually that leopard style that also is really trendy, and then it ties in the front with bows. Now underneath of this, you could layer a black bodysuit, long sleeve bodysuit, just a tank top if you want, just because it does connect here and you're gonna see a little bit of your skin. But I love that detail. It switches things up from just like your typical bodysuit, your typical sweater. This looks so gorgeous with some jeans. With this, I styled my barrel jeans, which again, I've tried out a lot of them, and this particular style on Amazon, the fabric is so good. They fit really nicely. Now the sizing is just a little bit different. I think the smallest size is size 4, and that's what I'm wearing, but the stretch on it is really nice. You're getting that trendy style jean while not losing your shape. So I think that's been my thing with barrel jeans in the past. I'm like, I feel like they just don't give you any shape. The length of this sweater cardigan with the denim jeans is just like a match made for each other. This is now my third color in this set. When I tell you this is a must-have lounge set, it truly is. The fabric washes really well over time. I have it in the navy blue and the cream, and now I picked it up in obviously this maroon color, which is the color of the season. So if you want a sneak peek on the top trends that are coming for 2025, make sure to sign up for my email list. You can just hit subscribe to email list down below and you can get early access to that. So excited for that email to come out. But this fabric is so nice. It's the quilted or the ribbed fabric on the pants really elevates the look. It features a stretchy waistband. I love the detailing on it. It does have that split hemline with that check kind of striped hemline going on, and I wear my true to size small here and it fits like a glove. Now, yes, it is a short sleeve version, so this is actually a piece you can wear all year round. I just like to layer with it. So with this set, I love this oversized denim jacket. You guys, I am so picky when it comes to denim, whether it's jeans or a denim jacket, and this one is 10 out of 10. It does have a slight distressing on it. I love the oversized fit. It's comfortable. It's not a restricting denim. It feels really comfortable when you're wearing it. It does come in a variety of different color washes. I'm wearing size medium in this, and it features pockets on the side. I like to cuff the arms just to kind of give it more of a relaxed fit. You can style that with some sneakers on this look, and you have just a comfy everyday look, a great travel look that you can sit in all day long, still look really cute together. And then if you need to go eat at a restaurant, you have a nice outfit on that you've been comfortable in. So love this as a travel outfit as well. And speaking of a good sneaker, the Adidas sneakers have been honestly so popular for months and months. They're definitely at a higher price point, typically around $100 depending on what style. These are the best to look for less. Have this particular style in 3 or 4 colors. It is a hidden gem. They're $40 or under. They typically run on sale. And if you like to keep to date with all of the sales, extra promo codes, make sure to head on over to Instagram stories every single day, and I'll usually do some type of giveaway, whether it's coffee or a gift card. But these have a comfortable padding around the side. They're true to size. I have them in a bright red, a black version, a blue, I think one other color, that might be it. But the tread is really good on them. They're so comfortable, and these sneakers just look good with everything. They have that look of an Adidas with not paying the price point, but you're still getting that comfort level. I have some Adidas sneakers and I think these are more comfortable. Crazy. I feel like I hit the jackpot in this video with the sweaters. This is a newer style that is so cozy. It's like, do you see that fabric? It is just so, it feels like a blanket is wrapped around you when you're wearing it. And that's what we need on these like below freezing days. I live in Pennsylvania. It has been really cold so far. This one is great to wear layered under vests. Comes in a variety of different color options. I'm wearing my true to size medium in a sweater. Now, when it comes to washing the sweater, I would recommend a gentle wash just so you can keep the integrity of the fabric. But I like how this just switches things up a little bit with the lined detail going on here. Again, comes in a few color options, and I love this styled with the plaid skirt for a dressier look. So I love how this is versatile. You can wear it obviously with a pair of denim jeans, but it looks beautiful with this plaid skirt, and you could throw on some tights with this and knee-high boots for a winter, a little bit of a dressier look. This plaid skirt does feature a zip on the side, comes in a variety of different color options. I would say if you're in between sizes, go with your smaller side there, but it's a great winter skirt that you can kind of mix and match with a bodysuit. You can go like like with a faux leather jacket like this, there's just so many options to dress it up or dress it down, but it's just a favorite. I love kind of warmer skirts like this in the winter season, and then you pair them with those fleece-lined tights and you are good to go. I'm telling you, those tights are just like a winter hack we all need. The level of excitement for this next look. So I have tried out a lot of blazer sets, a lot of workwear sets. Hands down, my favorite set on Amazon. Absolutely 10 out of 10, no question. I am completely blown away by the quality of this. We'll start off with the blazer. It actually comes with a tailored pant, a flare fit pant, as well as a really gorgeous kind of strapless top. And so ladies, if you have business casual, business professional, this set is for you. It is so good. So this is the slim fitting blazer. First of all, this color is so beautiful. I suggest sizing down one in this brand. So the drop brand on Amazon is amazing quality, but they do run on the larger side. So I'm wearing size extra small here, extra small in the top and in the tailored pant, and they're just beautiful. It has this gorgeous cinch here around the waist that gives you that shape. The fabric is nice and stretchy. It's not restricting. This outfit you're gonna be able to wear all day long and not feel like I can't wait till the end of the day that I can just put my pajamas on. Comes in more colors as well. The strapless top lays beautifully and stays up very nicely. It has a little band right there, the no slip band to keep it up. It also has a split hemline that just looks so elevated and beautiful. I mean, truly this piece looks like designer at an Amazon price point. It's great. It is a little bit higher of a price point for Amazon, but you're getting that with the drop. It's a really good quality brand on Amazon. Now with that, I did style the black suede bag and then the velvet heels. The velvet heels are so beautiful. Now I feel like I've tried out a lot of dresses this month, and this one was, I think, my favorite from Amazon. I just like the overall fit of it. So it has that kind of cottony ribbed material up top and then more of like a fancier skirt style down at the bottom. They feature pockets. I love the front detail going on here. It's just like layers with a square neckline, but you also can wear it backwards and feature that high neckline and then have some detail going on in the back, which would be beautiful with an updo, like a layered necklace here. It is a gorgeous midi length style. Wear true to size small here. The skirt is lined so it is not see-through and it just lays so beautiful. You can dress it up with some gold heels all the way to a little bit more dressy with some casual white sneakers too. It's easy to layer as well with the stretchy fabric here. Denim jacket, you could do like a faux fur jacket for a dressier style. Gorgeous silhouette. Love the silhouette. Does come in more color options as well. Let's talk some winter boots. These are adorable. I love the faux fur design here. It not only is it good for looks, but it's also great for keeping the cold air out. I think the fur just kind of hugs your leg really well and then helps to keep that cold air out. So it's cute, but also very practical. This particular style does come in a variety of different color options. It has really good traction on it. This is a great boot to wear walking your dog outside, or just going and running errands because it's so warm. Now the fur lining is most of the way through the boot, except it's just like fluffier on the outside, but it's a thinner fabric on the inside. So when I tell you, when you wear these, they're so warm and cozy. They do have adjustable tie laces here. I love the gold hardware on it, and they're just really practical, and they give that Sorel look for less. And the fabric on the outside is waterproof, so great for all the elements. Now for under $40, if you need a good winter snow boot, this is such a good look for less. And they're so comfortable. I honestly can't believe they're under $40. I was like not expecting to love these, and I'm like, these are good. They're also lined with that fleecy fabric in the middle. They do have that really awesome tread in here. So again, if it's snowing outside, these are gonna be great. I loved a classic white, but it comes in so many different color options. It comes in whole sizing. I've got my true to size 9 here. And I'm telling you, that fleece lining on the inside, it is just the best. So it also does have a cinched back here. So if you kind of wanna bring it in a little bit tighter or looser, you can adjust that in the back as well. Another designer look for less is this studded bag. This is going viral for good reason. I think this is such a fun winter bag. I love the studded detail on it. It has a full zip. Again, the quality just feels so nice on it. I like that it has a thick one strap. Sometimes when you wear purses with 2 straps, like one can kind of fall off. Not with this one. And there's so much room in here. It's like the perfect medium-sized bag. Adds a little bit of something to your look, but while still being very, very neutral. So this has been a bag I have definitely been loving, and just adds that fun little accessory to any look. I'm obsessed. This two-piece gray set is just another way you can switch up your wardrobe this winter season. This has a sweatshirt style like warmth to it while being a really cute set. I love the details on the shoulders. When you kind of point out the shoulders, it elongates and slims the waist. Comes in a variety of different color options. It cinches kind of nicely around your upper waist area. And then the skirt, it looks like a skirt, but it's actually a skirt. So it's really comfortable. You can throw fleece-lined tights underneath of this, some knee-high boots for just a really, really cute date night, you know, going out with your girlfriends for a dinner, and it just switches things up a little bit. It's not your typical dress, it's not your typical sweater, but you still have that warmth there. Available in sizes small through 2XL, wearing true to size. Small here runs very true to size, and this will be a piece that you can carry well into the spring by kind of either using the fleece-lined tights or not. Now, you've seen me style those black suede boots in multiple outfits in today's video. If you're looking for a boot that doesn't have a heel, I feel like that's such a hard style to find, but look at the two-tone textures on it. It has a suede front, which again is trending, and then that stretchy fabric in the back. It has a little zip here for an easy pull-on style. They're so flattering. You can't, it's honestly a black boot like this is a closet staple, and these are comfortable. Now, if you're in between sizes, I would size up one specifically if you want to wear chunky, cozy socks with this. But I also really love the way that this hugs the ankle. It gives you that shape and it fits my calf super, super well. So this is my all-time favorite black knee-high boot. I just love that they don't have a heel. They're so comfortable to walk in. And then one other style I also really liked that also doesn't have much of a heel, just probably an inch, but it doesn't feel like you're wearing a heel when you're wearing it. Now this one has kind of that quilted detail in the back, a little bit of a thicker fabric on this one, and then the fabric is not on the front, but it does feature a full zip here, and I love the gold details on it. Now this particular style does come in a variety of different color options. I was looking for just a classic black and brown that didn't have like an actual like tall heel on it, and both of these are really, really great. The quality on it feels really, really nice when you walk, and I just love a knee-high boot where you can like hide chunky socks underneath of it. It makes all of the difference. My feet and hands are the first thing, well, they're cold naturally, but when I'm outside in the winter, I just feel like I just get miserable if they're so cold.